You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking we can do a new tourism attraction in Panama,
yes.
right? Drive with a mayor,
yes.
Don't you think? So you ever think that you would be driving in Panama?
No,
no.
On the right hand side, that.
Right hand side, drive. Right side or the wrong side,
On
right?
the wrong side, yeah. Driving at the mayor. It's a tape. See what I mean?
It's a tape.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man. It's a tape to all of Panama.
Yeah, man. To all of Panama, man. What you say me for say?
Queso pa.
Queso pa.
Eso, queso pa.
Yeah, man. See. Queso pa. Hold on, which way is it?
Alright, so you're just going around the boat and come back this way.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right there's the multi-plaza. In front, remember? The mall.
Who have the me?
No, I said the mall is in front there.
Oh.
Welcome to Panama driving.
Yeah.
Them don't know what a brake is, you know.
No, they know this is the major car, so they're gonna open the shop.
Alright, por primera vez voy a estar de pasajero en el Cybertruck porque hoy tengo un conductor. Hi, Vybz, wagwan.
Wagwan, Mr. Mayor.
You ready for drive a Cybertruck?
For the first time.
Alright, we have to take these to Jamaica. A different level here. No, this is not Jamaica. On your left hand side, your seatbelt there. You're used to driving on this side,
Yeah.
Jamás hay que se maneja de este lado.
Yeah, I was telling this is about the side you put.
Alright, so you press on the brake, right?
Yeah, I'm on the brake.
And
You
this
going left?
this is how you put drive. Boom, you're in drive. That's it.
What's that? No, something high quality.
No. That's it. And then reverse.
Yeah. Pull it down.
Boom.
Amazing.
Interesting, eh?
Yes, man. Real
Alright.
cyber business.
All right.